All right, hello everybody. Welcome to option B here, Science, Society, and Technology. Sorry. So you are the editor of a famous magazine. You have been asked to show all the new advancements and exciting changes that have come to America. Create a magazine cover with inventions, technologies, and entertainment from the time period of the late 1800s. Be sure to provide titles and details to attract your readers. So you'll see you have three pictures here. One, two, three. You can just simply put your pictures over those squares. And if you don't know how to do that in PowerPoint, you simply go up here. I'll see if I can drag this over a little bit. You go up here to the insert button and you click on pictures and online pictures, or you can even do a snapshot or a screenshot of pictures if you want as well, or if you'd like to draw something, that's your option as well. But you can insert the pictures there right where those boxes are. Just drag them and drop them right onto those boxes, and then make sure you explain what this is a picture of from the late 1800s, and then why is this important for your readers to understand about the changes in technology or inventions or entertainment from the end of the 1800s. Good luck. Have fun.